Hello everyone and welcome back to Skill Canvas Universe. Today we are going to learn how to create a professional watermark like this one for your YouTube channels. As you can see, it's quite professional. So today I'm going to tell you and explain how you can also create an exact same or even better watermark for your YouTube channel. So let's get started and welcome to Skill Canvas Universe. So first you're going to click on this option saying more and then click on Instagram Post Square. Then we are going to click on elements and type a stylish black YouTube icon and enter. The first one you see, in graphics, you click that one and increase its size as you please. I'll put it in the center for now and I'll change its color to red. Next, I'm going to search for subscribe button and I'm going to choose this one for now. Just going to increase font size a bit and place it in the center. And there you go, you have created an amazing professional watermark for your YouTube channel. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Until next time, we meet on Skills Canvas Universe. Bye!